Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon, and this is one of those things that there's probably not many of you out there that need this. This is the charging cable for the Garmin Forerunner 3.5 watch. I came across this, actually an old coworker gave it to me and said, hey, he had no use for it anymore, but he couldn't find the charging cable. Found this one on Amazon, and I thought, hey, why not do a video in case there's somebody else thinking about buying the item. They want to make sure it looks. I do want to show you real quick just the packaging of it. This company does have various different charging cables that they sell, but in this case, the main thing is, does it work with the Forerunner? So what I'm going to do is we're simply going to plug it in. There's not a whole lot to show you here. Cable is actually nice and thick. Sometimes you buy these replacement cables and the cable itself is rather thin, but this one seems to be fairly thick. And then I turn this over. Basically got a clip. Look at that. We are in business. Worked straight out of the box as expected. If you're thinking about buying a cable, or maybe you lost your cable or need an extra cable for your Garmin Forerunner 3.5 watch, also works with various other Garmin models. Give this charging cable a chance. Seems to work perfectly. Hope the video helped.